एक न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव। इसमें सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ क्वांटिटीज, उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग, देन नेक्स्ट टेंजेंट्स एंड नॉर्मल, फिर मैक्सिमा मिनिमा, एंड इन द वेरी लास्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट अप्रॉक्सीमेशन। तो इन सारे पार्ट्स में सबसे पहले हम थ्योरी करेंगे इनकी, उसके बाद एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट करेंगे और देन आफ्टर बोर्ड मॉडल क्वेश्चंस, सीबीएसई एग्जाम में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस और स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट वाइज। सो अभी हम देखने जा रहे हैं एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स का फर्स्ट पार्ट है, and this is called rate of change of quantities. So if y is a function of x, if y is a function of x, y अगर x का फंक्शन है तो इसे मैथमेटिकली हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं y equals to fx. If y is a function of x, इसका मतलब y equals to fx, then dy by dx, then dy by dx represent rate of change of y, rate of change of y with respect to x. So if y is a function of x, it means y equals to fx, then dy by dx represent rate of change of y with respect to x, and dy by dx at a given point. Suppose there is any point on the curve at x equals to 0. So dy by dx at x equals to 0 represent rate of change of y. It represents rate of change of y, rate of change of y with respect to x at x equals to 0, where x equals to 0 is any point on the curve, and if there is rate of change with respect to time, so dx by dt, it represents rate of change of x, rate of change of x with respect to time, with respect to time t. So dx by dt means rate of change of x with respect to t, dy by dt means rate of change of y with respect to time t. Now we will talk about velocity and acceleration. Physical application, velocity and acceleration. So if there is a function of x and t, there is a function of x and t, x equals to ft, then dx by dt, dx by dt, rate of change of x with respect to t, gives the expression for velocity, gives the expression for velocity. If there is y equals to ft, then dy by dt gives the expression for velocity. And when velocity is differentiated with respect to time, we get acceleration. So velocity v and d2x by dt square, d by dx dt of dx by dt. This is rate of change of dx by dt. Dx by dt means velocity. So this is the double derivatives. We can write d2x by dt square. This is the double derivatives. So double derivatives of this function gives the expression for acceleration. This gives the expression for acceleration. And we can also write in this way, d by dt of dx by dt is written as v. So it becomes dv by dt. dv by dt also gives the expression for acceleration. So this is about the theory part. Now we will come to exercise. If y is a function of x, it means y plus 2fx, then dy by dx represent rate of change of y with respect to x, and dy by dx at a given point x equals to 0 is the rate of change of y with respect to x at x equals to 0. dx by dt represent rate of change of x with respect to time, and velocity dx by dt, double derivatives d2x by dt square gives the acceleration, d by dt of velocity means dv by dt, it also gives the expression for acceleration. Now let us come to exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. The first question is, find the rate of change of the area of a circle. Find the rate of change. Find the rate of change of area of a circle. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to radius r. With respect to radius r, where r is 3 cm and 4 cm. When first part r equals to 3 cm and the second part r equals to 4 cm. So we have to find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to the radius r. So firstly we will find the formula for area of a circle. Area is given by A and the area of circle is pi r square. We have to find the rate of change with respect to r, means we have to differentiate with respect to radius. So dA by dr, differentiation of area with respect to radius. Pi is a constant term and d by dr of r square. So we get differentiation of r square is 2r, and the result comes to be 2 pi r. Now we have given the point r equals to 3 cm. So we will write in this way, dA by dr at r equals to 3, and put the value of r equals to 3. So 2 pi into 3, this is 6 pi. And we have to write its unit also. So we are finding change in area with respect to radius, and the unit of area is centimeter square because the radius is given in centimeter. So 6 pi centimeter square, and dr. dr is the radius. Radius is its unit is also centimeter. So centimeter square upon centimeters. Okay. And the final result will be 6 pi centimeter. 6 pi centimeter. In the same way, for part second, we will write dA by dr at r equals to 4 and put the value of r as a 4. So we get 8 pi centimeter, because centimeter square upon centimeter, it remains centimeter. So this completes the solution. See next question. The volume of a cube is increasing. The volume of a cube. The volume of a cube is increasing. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. At the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube per second means we have given centimeter cube means dV, change in volume, and second dt means we have given dV by dt. How fast is the surface area increasing? How fast is the surface area increasing? How fast is the surface area increasing? We have to find the increase in surface area when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters. When the length of an edge is 12 centimeters. So we have given the volume of a cube is increasing. Firstly, we will write what we have given. So the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. It means we have given dV by dt, rate of change of volume, which is 8 centimeter cube per second. And we have to find that how fast the surface area increasing, and the value of x is given. So firstly we use the formula for finding the volume of a cube, and we suppose let the age of a cube, let the age of a cube is x centimeter. The side of a cube, the age of a cube is x centimeter. We write the formula for volume of cube. So the volume of cube is h cube, and now we differentiate with respect to time. So differentiation of v with respect to t, dv by dx, and this is d by dt of x cube. And differentiation of x cube, x raised to the power n, 3x square. Now draw cube and differentiate x with respect to t. अगर यहाँ d by dx होता तो 3x square इसका differentiation हो जाता, but here is d by dt means we have not to differentiate with respect to x, but we have to differentiate with respect to time. So differentiation of x cube 3x square, and differentiation of x with respect to t is dx by dt. So from this expression, firstly we find dx by dt. Means dx by dt means change in age, rate of change of age of a cube. The value of dv by dt is given 3 into x square. The value x means age, and age is given 12 square means 12 into 12 and dx by dt. And then dx by dt equals to 8 upon 3 into 12 into 12. 2 4 ja 8, 3 4 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12. And dt by dx by dt comes to be 1 upon 3 into 3, 9, 9 6 54. What is its unit? The unit of x is, it is in centimeter. So centimeter, and the unit of time is second. Centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. dx by dt. We got the value of dx by dt, but we have to find the increase in surface area. So we will have to write the formula for surface area of a cube, and surface area is given by A, and we know the surface area of a cube is 6 into side square. 6 into side square. This is the surface area of a cube. Now we differentiate with respect to t. So dA by dt, 6 is the constant term, and d by dt of x square. So it gives 6 into differentiation of x square is 2x, and differentiation of x with respect to t is dx by dt, and there is dA by dt. We have to find dA by dt and dx by dt. Already we have calculated 1 by 54. So 6 into 2, 12 into x, the value of x is 12, and the value of dx by dt is 1 by 54. 6 2 are 12, 27 2 are 24, again 4 3 are 12, 9 3 are 27, 3 3 are 9, 2 3 are 6. So dA by dt comes to be 8 by 3. 8 by 3, and its unit, the area of unit is the unit of area is centimeter square, and the unit of time is second. So we get the result. The increase in surface area is 8 upon 3 and centimeter square per second. We have to write the unit also. It is must to write the unit. See question number 3. The radius of a circle increasing uniformly. The radius of a circle. The radius of a circle increasing uniformly. The radius of a circle increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. At the rate of 3 centimeter per second. We are given the increase in radius, and find the rate at which the area of the circle increases. Find the rate at which area of the circle increases. We have to find the increase in area. Find the rate at which area of the circle increases when the radius is 10 centimeter. When radius is 10 centimeter. So firstly we will write what we have given. The radius of a circle increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second means there is a change in radius with respect to time. Means we have given dr by dt. dr by dt is 3 centimeter per second. Change in radius with respect to time. And we have to find the rate at which area is increasing. So write down the formula for area of circle, pi r square, and differentiate with respect to t. So dA by dt, pi is the constant term, differentiation of r square is 2r, and differentiation of r is dr by dt. So 2 pi, radius is given 10 and dr by dt is 3. So it comes 60 pi and the unit is unit of area centimeter square and unit of time is second, centimeter square per second. dA by dt centimeter square, 65 centimeter square per second. Question number 5. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in a circles. And wave moves. And wave moves in a circle. Wave moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the speed of 5 centimeter per second. Waves moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second at the instant. At the instant. At the instant. When the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave, the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast is the enclosed area? How fast is the enclosed area increasing? So we have to find the increase in area. So we have given a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and wave moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second, means centimeter per second. This is the unit of and the in a circles at a speed. This is the unit of speed 5 centimeter per second. So we have given dV by dt, and at the instant when the speed is given, v is given 5 centimeter per second. When the radius of the circular wave is r 8 centimeter, r is 8 centimeter. So how fast is the area increasing? A stone is dropped, wave moves in a circle at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. Radius is given. How fast is the enclosed area is increasing? And we know V equals to dr by dt. V equals to dr by dt. Means dr by dt is 5 centimeter per second. And waves are in a circle, in the form of circle. So we find the area of the circle pi r square, and we differentiate dA by dt equals to pi and d by dt of r square. So pi into r square 2r, and differentiation of r is dr by dt. So 2 pi, the value of r is 8 and the value of dr by dt is 5. So we get 40 into 2, 80 pi. And the unit of area is centimeter square and the time is second. So 80 pi centimeter square per second. This is the enclosed area increasing. The rate at which the enclosed area is increasing. Question number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing. The radius of a circle is increasing. The radius of a circle is increasing. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase? What is the rate of increase? What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Of its circumference. So what we have given in this question, we have given the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 7 centimeter per second, 0.7 centimeter per second. Means dr by dt is given 0.7 centimeter per second. This is dr by dt, change in radius with respect to time. And we have to find the rate of increase of its circumference. We write the formula for circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Now differentiate with respect to t. So dc by dt, change in circumference or increase in circumference with respect to time, or rate of increase of its circumference. 2 pi is the constant term, differentiation of r is dr by dt. So 2 pi and the value of dr by dt is 0.7. So the result comes 1.4 pi, and the unit of circumference is centimeter and the unit of time is second. So the result is 1.4 pi centimeter per second.